Good morning! We are here at Nullarbor Silo Art. It is a beautiful piece of artwork and we are heading off to Mildura, up to the corner of all the states. We're going to head into New South Wales and do some national parks, also do some national parks in Victoria here as well, as Elise is twirling past. Anyways, let's get this show on the road and let's go! We're here at Perry Sandhills. It's pretty gorgeous, and the parents are here as well. And woo! G'day! We are at Mungo National Park, New South Wales. We have just driven out from Golgol near Mildura, near the Murray River, about an hour and 20 minutes on this dirt unsealed road, which was probably 80 k's long, and it was not too bad, a bit rough around the edges, but yeah, we are here and we are going to do a nice circuit loop around the area, and it's a drivable track apparently, so you have to go one way around, and we'll stop at all these different places along the way and let's do it.
So we've just arrived at Mungo Sand Dunes. Let's go!
So we're off driving through Murray Sunset National Park, enjoying some nice dirt tracks, some corrugations and some a couple of four-wheel drive little segments, and yeah, it's nice, enjoyable out here. There's a few emus, kangaroos, a couple of pink lakes which we're enjoying, but yeah, nice to spend a couple of days kind of relaxing by the fire around the campsite, enjoying good old nature. So yeah, we'll keep going and we'll show you around. prepping some lamb for tonight. Gonna have a nice spit HSB AB. Then we just marinate the meat and then we cook it tonight. So we're cutting up with some potatoes and make some chips.
What are you doing, Jack?
I'm putting.
Are we drying the potatoes?
I need more.
Then we put some oil in the potatoes. 2 litres of oil, rice bran oil, because it's going on the fire and it won't catch on fire. Alrighty, now we stab it onto a skewer and get ourselves some meat.
Get the meat.
Sensational. We're here at Mount Crozier. Let's go for a walk for 150 metres and go see the view. Woo! Sorry.
What can you see?
Got close?
Yeah.
We're just out on Lake Cosby here, and you'd think it is completely waterlogged, but you can walk all the way out until it gets a little bit deeper, but I mean like not even above your shoes kind of deep. And yeah, it's an amazing illusion here.
Look at these reflections.
It's ridiculous.
Look at these reflections.
All the tumbleweed. So cool, eh?
used
Alrighty, we're all done and we're going to be packing up and heading off from Murray Sunset National Park and yeah, heading back towards Melbourne and to our next adventure. And yeah, Josh in the background chewing on his apple. Please like, comment, subscribe. Bye bye. Ready?
And Elise.
Ready? Bye.
What about Elise? Give Elise a hug. No, Jack.
He's gonna be dizzy
Give Elise a
now.
hug. Yeah.